What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys easiest ways to make a circle top or a circle gather top in less than 5 minutes. Woo! Now go ahead and fold your fabric into two, just like mine. Now step 1, measure out 3 inches from your fabric, connect those dots together, cut it out, and then place it on top of the fabric again, and then cut it out again. This is gonna form the sleeve. Step 2, fold the fabric into 2, fold it again into 4. At this point you're going to be measuring out your length. So mine is 14 inches, so I'm going to be using 3 inches extra to create the elastic case, and then 1 inch or 1.5 inch just to bend the ending of the fabric. So that's just what I'm doing right now. I'm going to go ahead to mark that out. So if you're having your fabric, you should join me and do that. Just mark it out and then connect the lines together and let's move forward. Now step 4, prepare the sleeves. So I'm trying to do that on my own right now, so if you're at this stage with us, congratulations. Now let's move forward. So I'm trying to prepare mine, and this is actually another a little trick for you guys. You can just do this, it's very easy. You just pull it in, and then as you're sewing, you're dragging it towards yourself. Okay, like as I'm doing, you're dragging it towards yourself. Before you know it, once you get to the end, it's going to be very easy for you to pull it out and just arrange it and then iron it out. So now as we're moving forward, we've gotten to the end of this. Now step 5. Alright, so prepare the elastic case. Now I'm going to be using 4 inch to create the elastic case. Remember I said for 2 inch earlier, but I later changed my mind. Now I'm going to be using 4 inch. That's 2 inch up and 2 inch down. So I'm just going to sew that up and then close it together. So if you've gotten to this point, congratulations, you're still moving forward. Step 6, insert the elastic. So if you have a safety pin, this is really going to come in handy at this point. So right now the elastic I'm going to be using, this is 31 inches, okay, and that's really going to go around my bust line, and it's not really going to make it very tight, okay, not too tight, not too loose. That's what I'm going for, so that can be very comfortable. You know how those blouses that you end up having a very tight elastic, they can't even breathe. Oh god, it's so uncomfortable. Alright, so after doing that, I just have to go ahead and then close up the edge. Now once you're done, you should have something like this. Isn't this beautiful? Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I think it's time for you to do that, don't you think? Alright, so now go ahead and fold the fabric this way and then close it up. Alright. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, you have to top stitch on your sleeves to make it look like this exactly. Alright, so after doing that, then let's move ahead to attach the sleeves. Now what you're going to be doing is this: make sure the center front and that of the back is aligned in the proper position. Fold it into 4 like this and then measure out 4 inch. Now before you do this, you have to make sure that you measure your nipple to nipple measurement, and now divide that by 2. It's going to give you this. So my nipple to nipple measurement is 8 inch. I divided it by 2, and that's what gave me this 4 inch that I'm making use of. So go ahead and measure yours and then put it there. So after doing that, you place the sleeves right at the 4, right at the mark, okay, and then you pin that down. Turn it over, do the same thing, turn over, turn the back, okay. And we're very soon I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the back. So just go ahead and do what I'm doing right now on yours if you are working with me. Alright, so this is it at the back. We're going to try as much as possible to align the front to the back exactly, not 1 inch away, not 1 inch in, just align it directly to the front, okay, the front hand, the way it was. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's it, and then you're gonna go ahead and then top stitch all round, just like how I'm doing. I did it this way so I can be able to secure it very well, okay. So you can decide to do this, you can decide to just just keep it and then just but doing it this way is going to be very helpful because it's going to really make it very secured, and then it's not going to be moving up and down, you know. Yeah, so that's why I did this. You can always go ahead and do this too. Alright, so now I'm going to be folding in the down part of the fabric of the blouse, the fabric of the top, whatever it is you want to call it. So this is how I'm doing it. So in case you don't know how to do this, just fold it first one in and then the second one. Okay, if you can see that clearly, then yeah, let's move ahead. Guys, I feel happy anytime I try to make an outfit like this, especially when it turns out really nice. Woo! Alright, so your fabric or your blouse should look something like this. This is beautiful, guys. Go ahead and give it a sweet little press, okay? A sweet press, and then when you're done with the fabric, it should look something like this. Isn't this amazing? Alright guys, if you like this tutorial, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel if you want to see tutorials like this. Let me know what your take or your thoughts is on this topic. For me, I love it. I love it so much, guys. It's very easy. You can use it, you know, especially during the hot season or something like that. You can make use of it. You can use it anywhere. It's a very simple, beautiful top, and yeah, I like it. So guys, if you guys like my stuff, please do to give me a thumbs up on this video. Oh my god guys, I'm running out of breath. Please give me a thumbs up on this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. All right, yeah, bye.